There was a patient I worked on who had lost her horse. Like her horse died, not like it ran away. And she was having a lot of like shoulder issues and neck stuff. And I'm like, we need to do your heart. She's like, I'm gonna have an emotional release. I'm like, yes, I know. We're the only ones in the building. You can have as much of an emotional release as you want. And I did it. And within 5 seconds, the quivering, the change in the breathing, she started bawling. I'm like, I'll just hold on to you. You let me know when you're ready. Got rid of the shoulder problem. She's like, thank you for going through that with me. I'm like, I'm happy to help you. Like, your heartbreak over your horse passing that you'd had for 20 years, whatever, is causing you pain in your body. Let's treat it. You can talk to someone, you can go to therapy, you can do all these things, but your body still remembers. Yes.
Have you ever been working on someone, they have an emotional release, and then you feel like you want to cry because of it?
I've cried with people, yes. When the horse girl, we'll call her horse girl, when she was done and the session was done, I went to the office and I cried. Yeah.